This tutorial will detail the process of applying for scholarships through the Youngstown State University Foundation Scholarship Application. The Youngstown State University Foundation is an independent nonprofit organization that distributes resources from privately held funds to support YSU students. The YSU Foundation Scholarship Application is available on the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships website at www.ysu.edu/finaid. Applicants can also directly access the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application by typing www.ysu.edu/YSUF App into their browser. Click the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application icon located in the menu bar to get started. The YSU Foundation Scholarship Application allows students to apply for a variety of scholarships. In addition, applicants will be considered for a number of other scholarships awarded through the university, local organizations, and private donors. There are currently over 600 scholarships available for evaluation upon completion of the application. To view a completed list of included scholarships, click the link provided. You will be asked to supply your Penguin Portal ID and password to access the application. Please enter in this information. Please note your Penguin Portal ID consists of all characters to the left of the @ symbol in your YSU email address. Most scholarships awarded through the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application require completion of the free application for federal student aid. You can view your FAFSA status at the top of the application upon logging in. You will first be required to provide your enrollment information, which includes anticipated graduation date and anticipated enrollment, for example, if you are full-time or part-time. Moving forward, the application will go on to ask a number of questions used to assist the scholarship committees to assess your eligibility for available scholarships. The first section is made up of narrative response questions that limit answers to 500 characters. The following next sections are comprised of yes or no questions used to identify populations specific to individual scholarship requirements. Please note that in some cases, questions to which an applicant answers yes may prompt an additional follow-up question. Students who are classified as part of a certain student population may be asked additional questions required to be answered for a specific scholarship consideration. These populations include veterans, local high school graduates, and students enrolled in the Dana School of Music. If you are identified as a student within the College of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics, Williamson College of Business Administration, Beagley College of Liberal Arts, Social Sciences, and Education, or Batante College of Health and Human Services, you will be asked to respond to an additional set of college-specific scholarship qualifying questions. Once all questions have been answered and you feel the application is complete, make sure to agree to the terms and submit. You will then receive a confirmation page. Please be aware that once you've submitted the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application, you will not be able to submit a correction or duplicate application. If you have additional questions about the YSU Foundation Scholarship Application or your financial aid options in general, please feel free to contact our office at 330-941-3505 or by email at ysufinaid@ysu.edu. Thank you for watching.